In this video I'll be showing my collection of Hot Wheels Redline, Snake, and Mongoose cars. Most of these cars are from the early 1970s, but there are a few from the 25th anniversary dating around 1994 and 95. The Snake was released in 1970. Race car driver Don Snake Prudhomme's car was a '70 Plymouth Barracuda funny car. He's most famous for racing Tom McEwen in his red 1970 Plymouth Duster named the Mongoose. The version shown here is the original 1970 release. In the USA, it was available in both yellow and white, and it had white Snake stickers on the side, along with stars on the hood and the trunk and the roof, and it had Redline cap wheels all the way around. This next version is the 1971 release of the Snake 2. This was available in enamel white with blue Snake 2 stickers on the sides and flames on the hood, trunk, and roof. The Snake 2 was produced in both USA and Hong Kong factories, but it was only made in white. The USA built cars had clear windows while the Hong Kong ones had the blue tinted windows. And just like the 1970 release, it came with a black roll cage and body prop underneath its opening. The base came in two pieces, with the engine being riveted to the bottom part, and it had Redline cap wheels all the way around. This 1973 Snake 2 is currently under restoration. The '73 castings of both the Snake and Mongoose are really hard to find and highly sought after. This version was released in both enamel white and yellow, with pre-applied blue Snake 2 stickers, even the yellow release, which should have had white Snake stickers. Due to cost cutting, the '73 Snake 2 did not come with windows or body prop. This version came with cap wheels on the rear and a straight through-hole axle on the front. It also had 6969 cast to the underside of the roof and on the inside of the base. Only the '73 casting has a complete oil pan on the bottom. Okay, we're going to jump ahead about 20 years now. This is a Snake from the 1994 release of the Vintage series. This particular car came in the 8-car box set of the Series 2 cars. They were kind of a special set of cars that were issued after the popular 25th anniversary cars came out. This has a lime metallic paint and with tampos on it that basically resemble the 1970 stickers. It has the through-hole Redline wheels and was made in China. This next Snake was also from the '94 release of the Vintage series, except this one more closely resembles the actual 1970 release of the Snake. It has the yellow enamel paint. It still has the tampos instead of actual stickers and has the through-hole axles. Otherwise, it very closely resembles the original release. Okay, on to the Mongoose. The Mongoose has come out in several different Hot Wheels versions, which seems to confuse people about either the name or the car which was driven by Tom McEwen. First off, the only funny car that Tom drove while being sponsored by Hot Wheels was a Duster, although Hot Wheels did release the Mongoose using the exact same Barracuda casting as the Snake in 1973 as basically a cost-cutting move. So this version is the original 1970 release, number 6410, red enamel, and it had white Mongoose stickers on the side, which are no longer on this one. But on the second Mongoose, which is also a 1970, this one was made in Hong Kong, has a blue tinted window, has the black roll cage and body prop underneath its opening. The base came in two pieces similar to the early Snake versions, with the engine being riveted to the bottom part and has Redline capped wheels all the way around. Just like the Snake 2, the Mongoose 2 was released in 1971. This version is the Hong Kong version with Spectrafame blue paint and white Mongoose 2 stickers on the sides and flames on the hood and trunk and roof. This is actually a partial restoration. Aftermarket stickers have been added. The Plymouth writing on the front is actually blue. It should be black. The Mongoose 2 was produced in both USA and Hong Kong and was only made in Spectrafine blue. It uses the same casting as the Mongoose from 1970, and this would be the last time the Plymouth Duster funny car would be used until 1994 when it was retooled for the Vintage series. Okay, jumping ahead to the mid 90s, we have four more Mongoose, all from the Vintage series.